Oh my gosh. Is this my hair? So 5 months ago, I put up a video and I said that I was going to completely change my hair routine because I'd been natural for 4 years and my hair was just like, nah, it wasn't growing, it was breaking in the crown, the front, the back, everywhere. And I just remember just thinking, let me really dig into this and find out what is in, first and foremost, the products I'm using. And I was so shocked to find out that the products that I have been using, a lot of them just had these hidden chemicals in there that I was just thinking, why have I been putting this in my hair? And ever since having my daughter, she's 2 now, it made me really think more so about what I was going to put in her hair, what I was going to put in my hair, because her hair was flourishing. But then at the same time with her hair even, I was just thinking, there must be something that I can use. So I researched and I came across Ayurveda and I thought, what's this? Ayurveda is basically holistic practices that Indians use to, the part that I'm focused on is growing their hair. Because you know they have long hair and it comes all the way like down to wherever. I thought, my hair at the time, it was just crisis. Like the front was broken, the side was broken, the back was, everything was just dry, crusty. It didn't matter what, how many moisturizers or sulfate-free shampoos or the lock method, LCO method, all them things, it just wasn't happening for me. So I thought, let me actually find out what to use. So I did 5 changes. The first one that I used was my tea spray, my Ayurvedic tea rinse spray, and it felt really strange doing it because I thought, why am I putting all these like lotions and potions, natural lotions and potions together in my kitchen? It's really weird. But I heard that with that it reduces your shedding. Guys, and I tell you, my shedding reduced from like, in about 2 weeks, my shedding went from like a ball, like that big, to like 5p. A 5p, you could scrunch my hair into 5p. I was thinking, what's going on? But I thought, okay, maybe this is just, I don't know. Now, the next change that I did, I used clay washes, but I don't like clay washes because it was just too messy in the bath, and I was like, my hair's clean, but why is the bath just looking like I've just stepped in some like some mosh pit at some festival somewhere? I think no. So I came in for shampoo bars and they work amazingly well, amazingly. I will put up a link somewhere to show you what I use. Do you know what? I'll actually do a video about the shampoo bars that I use and why. The next change that I did was that my hair just was like, I started making a hair oil, and I really researched into the ingredients I was going to use in my hair oil. I asked a few of my friends who were Indian and asked them what they used, and they gave me like their top 5 all together. The ones that I really like the look, the sound of, and what I know my hair needs, I'll put it all together. So I made my own hair oil. Hey, this hair oil, you people, you don't understand. Seriously, right? This, right? My hair and my daughter, oh my gosh, oh my goodness. This hair oil has just, night and day. My hair has just, when I first put it in, I remember like the first couple of days, my scalp was a bit itchy and I was like, oh my gosh, what have I put in my hair? But then it's almost like my scalp was like saying to me, this is what we've needed, this is what I've needed for so long. And then I put it in and I just left it. And I thought, okay, maybe I shouldn't use it anymore. And then my scalp just stopped itching and it was just fine. and then it just started growing, and it was growing and growing and growing. I was like, what's going on? So I've said this before, my hair grew 2 inches in the first month, and I've noticed now that it's been growing like an inch. It's been growing an inch every month. It's just crazy, because when I first started this regime, I really wish that because I had it on my old camera and my camera broke. Well, it was waterlogged, so I've lost all my pictures. But guys, when I first started this this new regime, my hair was like up to here. Yeah, but just above my collarbone. I was like, nah bruv, something's got to change. Now it's like, let's see how long my hair is now. Where are ya? It's under my armpit. It's actually, I'm resting on my arm, so I can't get up anymore. But it's my hair, man. I can't get over it. So I put this in. I put my hair oil in, and my hair's just been flourish. It's like it woke it up. I also sell it at my Etsy shop. If you would like to purchase it, I really recommend you either purchase it or make it at home. I have a video that I made about how I make it. I've also made some adjustments since that video. I've added peppermint leaves, and I also add extra virgin olive oil. I can't even tell you. The next thing I started that I made as well was my shea butter. So I needed a moisturizer. I just did a really simple recipe. I just did shea butter. I made sure that the shea butter that I got, my mum always gets for me from Ghana. Thanks, mum. So it's raw, unrefined shea butter, and I would just add coconut oil and Jamaican black castor oil and jojoba oil. When I added my Ayurvedic herbs, you know what, I remember the thought just came to me while I was making my oil for myself one day, for me and my daughter, and I thought, what am I going to do with this? I don't know what to do with it, and I normally just threw it away. I thought, what are you doing? What are you doing? You could save this and put it in your smoothie. Ah! When I did that, oh my, it's like my hair. My hair was just like, Ifea, how long have we been waiting for you to actually hear us? So not only is my smoothie really moisturizing, like it gets in. Not only is it really moisturizing, it's also really nourishing. So it's nourishing the hair, it's feeding the hair with some really good ingredients, as well as keeping it soft and moisturized. And seriously, when I use this, my I have to say, Shea Moisture, the Jamaican black castor oil leave-in, amazing. When I use this and this together, you can see this and this together keeps my hair moisturized for at least a week. Seriously, since when did natural hair stay moisturized for a week? I've tried different leave-ins with my smoothie, and always made sure that it was a water-based one, so the first ingredient was water or aqua or O, whatever language they want to use. But game changers for me, for my hair, has been the smoothie that I make. Again, you can buy that on Etsy. Guys, I'm so thankful for all your support on my Etsy shop. I can't even begin to tell you the reviews that it's received. Oh man, it's so humbling to know that there are people out there who love it as much as I do, and your hair is loving it as much as mine is, because there's nothing like it. And yet in henna glosses, my henna glosses and my deep conditioners, man alive, my hair used to be quite brittle and it used to snap quite easily. And I was doing the whole, you know, protein moisturizer, protein conditioners, moisturizing conditioners, like alternating it. And my hair just wasn't really, it's like, it's alright, it's not great. It wasn't even alright. And when I started using henna, my hair was just like, it was like, how can I even describe it now? it was so happy. It was actually singing to me in the shower. Like, it was singing to me in the shower. It was, my hair is so much stronger now. Like, I can't get over how much stronger it is. When my hair would naturally snap and break, because I just thought my hair was naturally quite thin, not thin, but it could just easily snap. Nah, those days are gone, mate. They've gone. Like, my hair will retain its shape, it will retain its strength. It's so much stronger now. And the moisturizing deep treatment that I do, that I combine it with the henna gloss, or I do it by itself, is just amazing. Amazing. I can't stress enough. I've got a video for that as well on my channel. It's a link somewhere in YouTube space. I'll do a link to that. And for the first like 3 months, I was doing my hair every week. Bearing in mind I have 2 young children and a business and just different responsibilities going on for home, etc, etc. And I'll squeeze it in, and I'll be so like, come wind, rain or shine, I'll do it. And my hair, what I've noticed about my hair is that it does not like being played with regularly. I just need to leave it alone. So what I found has worked for me is that I need to wash it. I need to deep condition it every 2 to 3 weeks. And if I do it sooner than that, my hair doesn't like it. It's like, why touch me? Like, I was fine. I thought we had an understanding. What I do now, right, is say it's Monday. On the first week, I will wash my hair, and then I will put in my, say, deep conditioner. And then after I've done my deep conditioner, I'm gonna do a wash day video soon anyway, but I'll do my deep conditioner, and then I will put in my hair growth oil the following day. I never do it on the same day because oil and water don't mix, so I just leave it. And then I will put it in my scalp the following day, and I use my hair growth oil every 3 every 2 to 4 nights. It depends. Because right in the beginning I was very regimented, like every 2 nights I'll do it. That was good for me to get into a system. Now that I'm able to, I've done it long enough now to know when my hair actually needs it, because I'll feel my scalp, does it feel dry, does it feel like it's lacking some, you know, TLC, does it need to be lubricated. If it is, then I'll add some more oil, and I always do it at night because I don't want anything running on my face. Oh, before I forget, I also bought a hair massager, and that's it. Yeah, so here's my hair. It's so happy. I can't get over it. I can't. Oh man, I never thought my hair would be this stage. I never did. So guys, I would really encourage you, like, if you are just unsure about what to do with your hair and it's like, what am I doing? I would really recommend Ayurveda, because it's just all natural ingredients, and you cannot go wrong if you're just using ingredients, God-given ingredients that has just been growing and flourishing, and you can make it in your kitchen. Let's go out. Okay, you have to go out and get the ingredients. Do you know, you can get them online and just do it all in your kitchen. All together, the ingredients, for me, it came to about, oh gosh, I think it came, because all the ingredients all together for everything came to about £60, and that lasted me about, me and my daughter, about 3 to 4 months. So it's really cost effective. Yeah, it's been a really exciting journey. I'm never gonna go back to anything else. So thanks for watching. I'm gonna be doing some more videos with me and my daughter and her just amazing hair. I look at her and I'm just like, I wish my mum knew about how to look after your hair as I do now. It's just, and yeah, gorgeous girl. Love her to bits. So yeah, I'm gonna be around with more videos now, but yes, I can only 1000% recommend Ayurveda. And I'm still not about the length, by the way guys. The length isn't, it's nice, but it's not everything. Hair isn't everything, actually. There are more things to life. But I never thought my hair would get to this stage in such a short space of time. The breakage has stopped, the dryness has stopped, the dry scalp has stopped. It's all gone. It's like it's gone, and it went in like the first couple of weeks. It just went. And yeah, I'm just so happy with it. So I would, yeah, 1000% recommend Ayurveda, and just encourage everybody out there, if you want to try something that your hair would love, Ayurveda. Go to check out my recipes and use them on your hair, and please share them with me. I'd love to hear what you think, how your hair loves it, what works for you, what doesn't work for you. It's not like a one case study for everybody. It's very adaptable. They can be your recipes that you can use on your hair. But yeah, you can use excuse me, oh, this cough. But you can use my recipes as a foundation. But let me know, and I will speak to you really soon. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.